Hey everyone, welcome back to Best Out of Best. Today I have got something a little different, but super fun to check out. The THAUSDAS Night Light. I just got my hands on it. Haven't even opened the box yet, so we are going to do this together. Let's see what's inside and get my first impression in real time. All right, here is the box. Pretty simple packing, nothing too flashy. Let's cut it open. Okay, first thing I see, we have got the night light itself, all wrapped up nicely. There is also the user manual. We will probably look at that if I get confused. And yep, here is the charging cable. USB type looks standard. Wow, this thing feels really solid. Nice smooth finish, not too heavy, but not cheap feeling either. The design is actually pretty sleek. I could see this fitting in on a desk beside table or even in a kid's room. The button layout is super minimal, which I like. So let's power it on. Yeah, that's nice. The light is really soft, not harsh at all, and it looks like it has different brightness level. So let's try them. Tap once for brighter, again for dimmer, and it's got a warm light and cool light option. That's a nice touch. So far, I'm impressed. For night light, the Tazdas feels well built, looks good, and the lighting is super cozy. Of course, I'll test it out for a few days to see how the battery holds up. But for now, I'm giving it a thumb up on first impression. Thank you. See you next time.